Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what many consider the best plain white backpack on the market, the Zicac DIY Canvas Backpack. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and customizable backpack, this could be the perfect fit for you. The Zicac DIY Canvas Backpack stands out primarily because it offers a blank canvas, literally. Made from high-quality canvas fabric, it's designed for those who want to personalize their gear. Whether you're into painting, sketching, or adding patches, this backpack gives you the freedom to express your creativity. The fabric is thick and sturdy, ensuring the backpack can handle everyday use while still being the ideal base for your DIY designs. Measuring approximately 13 inches by 5.9 inches by 15.7 inches, it offers a total capacity of around 16 liters. This size makes it suitable for a variety of uses, from carrying books and magazines to holding your travel essentials or even a 15.6-inch laptop, thanks to its spacious main compartment. The design incorporates multiple pockets, including main, back, and front zipper compartments, as well as interior slip pockets, helping you stay organized whether you're at school, work, or on the go. The backpack features adjustable shoulder straps with a top handle, offering comfort and convenience while carrying. The double shoulder straps are designed to evenly distribute weight, making it comfortable even when loaded. Its lightweight construction adds to its ease of use, so you don't feel weighed down during daily commutes or travels. One key feature is the two-way zipper system that secures your belongings while allowing easy access. The bag's overall structure is both simple and functional, avoiding unnecessary bulk, which is great if you prefer a clean, minimal look. The natural white color is perfect for customization and also easy to maintain if handled with care. You can wash it after completing your DIY project, but it's recommended not to use detergents to preserve the canvas quality. This backpack is imported and carries a design that's unisex, making it a suitable choice for both men and women. It's perfect for students, artists, travelers, or anyone who appreciates a functional yet creative accessory. Whether you want to add your unique touch or simply enjoy a clean and classic canvas backpack, the Zicac DIY Canvas Backpack offers both style and practicality. In conclusion, if you want a plain white backpack that's not only durable and spacious, but also allows you to showcase your creativity, the Zicac DIY Canvas Backpack is definitely worth considering. It merges functionality with artistic potential, making it a standout choice in the casual daypack category. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.